Right, here is a little Tomos engine. Tomos. Kickstarts. Don't know if this actually turns over. Don't know. Actually, we'll look into that. We'll be rebuilding this as well. We're stripping a few down, getting them sent to shop blast. I didn't get a twine like I thought it would. For a small engine, it's putting up a fight. Proper mullered. Oh man, that is still tight. I've had to use an impact driver on every single bolt on this case. Oh, it's like it's been submerged. There we go. Still putting up a fight. We have just cracked this off. See what it's like in here. Oh, thank God for that. Someone's put oil in it. The top amount, I mean, obviously we've got to check it. That looks pretty good. Oh, bronze bush. So all seems to be okay. So we just loosely put it back in so you can see. I mean, this is, don't know what the top end's going to be like, but this is actually looking pretty good. Right, we've had to smack this off. It's not too bad, that could be saved. That, on the other hand, see how we get on with that. So what we've had to do, this head ain't coming out, we're going to have to press it out. Luckily enough, these actually come out without snapping. So we'll be able to split the cases, and then we'll press the head off, the barrel out, the piston out the head. Barrel, sorry. Right, we've got all these screws out. The next engine I do, I'm going to make sure I pick one which doesn't have these silly screws, just for a break. Now we have to smack this off, so crank bearing's slightly worn. It's astronomical how good they are. Again, we required a couple of love taps. It's pointless fighting that out because the piston's knackered, barrel's knackered, crank's knackered. Right, so the aftermath, that's toast. Casings are good, all the gearbox and drive's good. Probably gonna have to buy a stator points plate. But yeah, we'll get this all sent off to the cleaner and the blaster.